It is very, very sad that those who have shown love, dragging them along with us, have been the first to fall out of the way, or to fall out on the way. Yesterday, after our announcement about disengagement and disassociating ourselves and excommunicating certain individuals, that is what we are doing now. We don't treat cancer, we cut it off. One of our sister, Juliet, wrote a post and said, "Dragon, you can as well suspend me, that if not that I was busy, I would also be in that meeting." So I am not going to wait for you, because your message is even more, more sad than those that were in the meeting, because some of them are regretting being part of the meeting, but your own is that you are deliberately, preparing and have shown that you are ready to betray what we are doing. You are asking for accountability. Nobody is taking penny of ESN. Nobody is embezzling ESN money. Everything is intact. And we know where you people are going. And that's why not even a breathing space will be given to you. Some of you don't know the people that are pushing you, why they are pushing you to do what you are doing. But I know you are going to regret it, in a few weeks' time. Because what is going to be the most painful part is that you, our sister Juliet, you've worked on the media up to this point, only for you to be deceived by people that have ulterior motive, which we know them from the beginning, and our eye has been on them. Juliet, you say we can remove you. Madam Azoka is doing this, Madam Azoka is doing that. Juliet, do you remember that the love we showed for you when you were being haunted, we also gave you money to pull you out of Nigeria? Just to show you that what we are doing is Onyagala Nwanne. Whenever anybody is in trouble, we are going to come for the person, and we'll make sure we rescue you. Juliet, we gave you money to leave Nigeria. And I don't know whether you told the people that you are going to have this meeting with how much that was given to you to rescue you. So please, next time you are going to have this meeting with them, inform them also that we were so wicked, we were so derailing, that you ran to us for help, that they are looking for you to kill. And we say, we are going to drag you out of Nigeria, and you say it. And that money was provided to you. So please, try to tell them, those looking for accountability, try to tell them that one of our sins was to try to make sure we save you, not like other people that when you run to them, they tell you a story. No, we don't help, just help. We help anybody that is in danger. So long as you have shown commitment to Biafra struggle, and you are one of those that we have tried, money was provided for you, whether you actually leave Nigeria, whether you are still in Nigeria, I do not know. But I will leave that with you and God. If you have used the money given to you to leave Nigeria so that you will not be killed, good luck. But if you are still in Nigeria, then I'll leave you with God. That is how I do my own. But try to tell them that you also were giving money in order to rescue you from, the people that were haunting you in Nigeria. And the people that are doing this are the people you are ganging up now with the people who have never contributed funding to this struggle. They have never contributed nothing. Only come to rant and ask for accountability so that they will sabotage what we are doing. They want to know account, so they will sabotage it. They want to know our strength, so they will sabotage it. They want to know where equipment is, So they will go and sell it out like they sell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's Radio Biafra when he imported it. We have passed that stage. You know, when I was responding to a question from the journalist from London, I told him, I learned from what happened to others. If by now I fall for your trap, you know that I'm a big fool. If by now I fall for all these your non-entities gang up, know that I'm a very big fool. Rather, I am creating topic for you people. You are going to talk until you get tired. And I will be creating the topic. Like today, I've created two topics. One is that ask that person, one of the commanders that have meeting with you, how much was given to him for a project, which he did. He did the project. But that project will be delivered, and he will deliver it this. If he don't deliver it this Thursday, then he should wait for Biafra people. Because I know he did it. I'm not saying that he did not do the project, but just for you people to know what we are doing that they don't tell you. But the person is in meeting with you. Now, this Juliet, to show the love we have for Biafra who are doing something. She ran to us and we help her. And today, she is the one writing on Facebook, Simon Ekpa, put my name in the people you are going to suspend because if I was around, I would be in that meeting. So, from this, because my own is that before I announce something, I will give you a little explanation. You know, may not be all, but just for you to know that we know what we are doing and we know what they are targeting. So, in order to protect this movement against the evil doers, whose only intention they have nothing to offer, only to come and destroy or to distract what other people are building. So for that reason, Juliet, from tonight, you are hereby suspended from autopilot. And you will be excommunicated from autopilot from tonight. Anywhere we see anybody having meeting with you and the person has anything to do with autopilot media, the person will also follow you. Now that you are no longer part of autopilot, I wish you well, and I want you to fight your own Biafra in your own way. If you get Biafra before us, we are going to settle in Biafra land. If we get Biafra before you, we are also going to see in Biafra land. I wish you best of luck, and go and fight your Biafra with your own group. And you are now ready. You are now free to come online and expose Simon Ekpa. You are now free to come online and attack Simon Ekpa. I have given you a ticket. I've given you a free ticket. I give you a free white card. You are like a bird that flies on the air. So please bring it on social media. Gather your group. Let them come to social media, like some of them are on the media today, you know, talking rubbish. Please let them come and start attacking. You know, because I don't have time now. So, but you people can come so that we can get more information from you. But I want you to understand that anywhere you gather, Simon Ekpa is there. Anywhere you are, Simon Ekpa is there. I am telling you, the people that are dragging you into it will also give me your own, you know, what your activities you are doing in the group. And from tonight, those people that are in the media, make sure you check all the media group you belong to. Anywhere you see the people that have been suspended so far, remove their number. From tonight, Prince Ihan Acho is no longer part of IPOB autopilot. He can become the president of the breakaway from autopilot. Let them pilot their own affair. Feed their commanders. We can't feed criminals. You cannot gather criminals and expect me to feed them. Let them pilot their own affair and fight their Biafra. If they get Biafra before us, we will see in Biafra land. But if we see Biafra before them, we will also meet in Biafra land. Prince Ihan Acho is also hereby excommunicated from the autopilot movement. So anywhere he belongs, anywhere his number, is found in autopilot activities or forum,